Hello guys, this is from Modern Tech. Today I am going to unbox and show HP Wireless 200 mouse. So I bought it from Flipkart. So let us quickly look into it. So here it is guys, this is HP Wireless mouse 200. So I got from Flipkart for about 599. So I will keep the link in the description below, so you can go there and check it out. So let's quickly unbox it. So guys, you can see first you will get a receiver with the colored blue color, and here is the mouse, and you can see you get two AAA batteries, some manual, and that's it. So as you can see, these are the AAA batteries we got. So let's quickly look into the mouse. So you can see this is the mouse guys. So my initial impressions are is very lightweight and bit, I won't say small, it perfectly fits to my hand. Let me peel this off. So you can see this is how the sides look like. You can see there is not much noise in scrolling, and you can see the click sound. And let us see the back part. So now you can see this is the sensor, optical sensor, and you can see this is the on off button. So this has the on off button also, and this is the charging battery socket. So now you can see I will insert two batteries in this. So yes, I have inserted the two AAA batteries over here. So let me on this again. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So let me show you my previous wide HP X1000 mouse. So you can see this is how it is. You can see the comparison, and you can see how there this is much more lighter and smaller also, and you can see this is bit bigger, and you can see sound also. Yeah, this is wide and this is wireless, that is the difference. So let's quickly connect this to my laptop. So guys, here is my laptop. I am just connecting this. And you can see one of the advantage of this this mouse is you can have a different color. So you can see this is my controller, so you can easily distinguish which one is the receiver of the mouse and controller. So that is one feature. So let us quickly test. Yeah guys, my initial impressions are good. Yeah, you can see it is not too bulk, and see you can see I can easily hold it off, and it's not too much weight also. So yeah, so far you can see. Yes, that is for this video of the unboxing and quick review of the HP Wireless Mouse 200. So that's it guys. If you like this video guys, please give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.